Hey guys, Ken here, and I'm back again with another unboxing. And this one actually is going to be kind of a two-parter because, well, I'm going to put something in it. Now, before that sounds weird, let's talk about what it is. Here it is, right here. I just got this in from Amazon. It was just delivered to me, and it is the Qwiizlab Crazy Creative Rugged NVMe M.2 SSD Enclosure. Now, what am I going to put inside of it? The NVMe hard drive. It's going to be a 2 terabyte that I got coming in. But while we're here, we're going to go ahead and take a look at this guy and unbox it real quick. So first, let's go through the box. Looks like you can order it with storage built into it, but right now the storage capacity is 0. Crazy Creative, it says on here. There we go, the back. Rugged SSD Enclosure, orange brand, Qwiizlab model, the ES10UR 0 terabytes. Again, inside, let's go. We'll pull that out. That doesn't look right. So let's go ahead and pull this, set you right there. Maybe we'll put you like right there. There we go. You can see that, right? All right. Then there is a baggie of, looks like a screwdriver and a couple extra little screws. We'll get into that guy here in a second. We'll set that right there. Let's flip this over, pull it out, and move the cardboard box to another place. Somewhere right over there. Cool. All right. So what do we have in the box? This guy too can be slightly and lightly placed somewhere else. We'll go ahead and check out this guy here. So we have the name Qwiizlab, I hope I'm saying this right, on this device here. Nice little orange boundary. This guy has got some serious heft to it. It's really solidly built. Nice little ring here on this side, and then you've got your cable here. Do not think you can carry this guy like this because, whoops, what you'll end up doing is popping it out, and next thing you know, you've lost your hard drive. But it's rugged, so it'll probably bounce off the sidewalk a few times and it'll be okay. But anyway, here's your thing. Your thing on your lanyard, and it is got more of a technical term. It's your USB-C to C cable. You use this to plug into this device, where if you look at this little door here, voila, there it is. You can plug it in here, and then you can plug it into another computer, device, phone, whatever it is that you seem fit to plug this into. All right, let's take this off. We'll set this right there. You can see it. Now let's take a look at this bad boy. And you have, let's go ahead and take a look at something here in millimeters. It is approximately 12 millimeters thick by about 46, maybe 47 millimeters wide, and about 123 millimeters long. I do like this very shiny, really nice ring. It's really nice. All right, now let's go ahead and move you up here for a second. Go ahead and open up this bag. It is wrapped quite well. That's interesting. It's very light, but I mean, what do you expect? All right, I think let's double check that's everything. Let's go ahead and set you guys over here on my Post-it notes. And it looks like you get 3 extra of these case screws. And then you get 1 more screw. It looks like it's going to be for the SSD itself. All right, let's pull this back into the center here. Let's go ahead and take these guys apart. Wow, that wasn't very tight at all. There we go. All right. Wow. That guy is pretty stout. Yeah, wow, this is really nice. This is really thick. This is gonna dissipate some heat. So is this guy. Save this, do not throw this away. Keep this. You will see later what it's gonna be used for. At this moment, I'm not going to use it because I'm not putting my hard drive in it yet. But what you can see here is another screw. It's just like this screw over here. But this guy right here is going to be when you put in your SSD, depending on the size of your SSD or your NVMe, you will put the screw wherever the length of your hard drive. Okay, so how does this, okay. This is as simple as it really gets, right? We're gonna go ahead and put this all back together. And even more so, let's put it back. Okay. And there you go. All right. I thank you and I appreciate your time. Peace.